Okay, I'm now in the backyard, and you can hear how loud they are. They just keep getting louder and louder and louder. Now let's see. If you can see that speck, it's actually not a speck. It's a cicada. And it looks like this is a shell, but I can't be sure. Now, every day, I pick off from our playhouse 1,000,000 of these shells. Now, I have to be careful because there's shells all around here too. But here's some. There's one. There's one. Sometimes they hang from our birdhouse up there. Here's some more. 1, 2. Let's see. There's a couple. There's one right here. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. Right there. Ew. There's some. Here's one. There's 3. I see one on the roof over here. Let's see some more. There's shells everywhere. Look through the grass carefully and you can see them. There's some in the sandbox, probably some of them that I have knocked off.
What are you talking to?
Let's see.
Emily?
I can't find any more.
Oh, I thought you were talking to
There's some. There's one.
Videotape it.
And there's